Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Previous sessions we learned how to pull data from web, and if you guys still not watch those videos, please go and watch my previous videos. And let's begin, and we'll see as per requirement what and all steps we need to do. And last class we uploaded three tables. That information has been recorded in data column, and here you guys can able to see in Central America what, and in that particular table what and all information you have, and same way you can see in North America, same way you can see in South America as well. And we'll see as per our requirement what and all second next step we need to do. And we already done with get data, central, north, south, all three table we have pulled. And second option, clean data. We'll see how it will works. And first what we need to do, we need to go to select transform data in home page and go to transform data. In that transform data, again you guys will see transform data option, select that one. After that you guys can able to see one more pop-up, in the sense one more page has been opened. This one is called a Power Query editor. Power Query Editor is one of the important component in Power BI desktop, and in next, after completing this project, we'll discuss what and all important component we have in Power BI desktop, and how interview questions will get, everything we'll discuss guys. And now as per our requirement, we are interested in, clearly they mentioned like they want only country, capital, population and area. As per that, what we need to do, we need to clean table. This what and all additional information we have in this table, I'm going to remove that one. And one more thing guys, what and all changes we are going to do in table, everything will record in applied steps. Here you guys can able to see one more steps, one more column added, removed column. And now just now I removed one column here, it has been recorded here. And again one into mark you guys can able to see here, right? This one is like a undo mark. If you by mistake you are going to remove, or by mistake you are going to delete, you did any mistake, you guys can able to revoke that once. I have removed this one. Right now I got into my table, so this is kind of a record option, revoke option. It will work like a revoke. So I don't want this one, so I removed here. What and all removed, or removed option I used, everything will get recorded in removed column. And flag also not required, so I'm going to remove this one. And area, population, this and all we want as per our requirement, so I'm keeping those informations. And it's not required. I'll remove this one, and this one also not required, so I'm going to remove this. So as per requirement, country, second alignment also most important, column alignment also important. As per requirement, I'm going to change that one also. Second one is population, third one is area. And name also as per requirement I'm going to change, country, capital, and what and all additional information we have in table, right? So I'm going to remove all those additional informations. Area, they mentioned like KM2. So now it's done. We'll cross check once. Country, capital, population, area, kilometer 2. Country, capital, population, area, kilometer 2. And same thing we have to do for North America and Central America. We'll do it guys. Remove this one and remove this one. It's not required. And capital as per request alignment, second one is capital, and I'm going to change name as well. Okay, done. And population, third place, and name also I'm going to change. Okay, it's done. And area we want, it's not required, I'm going to remove this one also. And area name we have to change. And North America also done. We claimed North America table. And next one is Central America. Same step we have to do for Central America as well. Going to remove. And the second one is capital. Third one is population and area. It's not required. I'm going to remove this one. Okay. And additional name I'm going to edit. And kilometer 2. Okay guys, it's done. Cross check once all table name has been matching or not. Yes, it's matching. So just this one population, select to whole number. Whole number, and here also whole number. But we are getting error in this because we have like a additional, in the sense so we have like a three data types. One is numerical value, another one is we'll discuss that in next class guys. Now what I'm going to do, in the sense I'm going to edit this one, go to add column and column from example, select this one and new new column has been added. I'm going to enter this one, 2766890. Same thing I'm going to do for second column also, 1098580. Just enter two line, automatically all information will get add. So I'm going to change this name, area kilometer 2, and it's telling that I already have same name, so I'm removing old column. Now I'm going to change area kilometer 2. Okay guys, now you guys can able to change into a number, whole number. Here one option you guys can able to see ABC, right? Go to that one and whole number, select this one, and it has been changed to whole number. Same thing I'm going to do for North America as well. This one already in whole number, but select whole number and area. Again go to add column. Here one option called column from example, select that one. Again first option. After that you guys can get one more additional column, just enter 91 and yeah, it has been added. Select OK and remove this one and change name to area kilometer 2. Yes guys, it's done. Same thing we have to do for Central America also. Go to add column, same steps we need to do for Central America also. 22966 and again 51100. Yes, I'm going to remove old one, area kilometer 2. and select change into whole number, and again change this one into a whole number. Yes guys, it's done. Now we completed first point. In clean data, first point we are interested in, done. So second point is add column to region for each table. We'll see how to add additional column to each table. Go to table, again go to Central America, again go to add column option. Here you guys can able to see one more option called custom column. Select that one, and here you guys will get one more pop-up called custom column. Here we need to fill some fillings. New column area, they are requesting region, right? So I'm going to enter region, and here we need to type a formula called South America. This is the formula, and select OK. And now you guys can able to see one more new column has been added to South America table. Same thing we have to do for North America as well. And select, make sure to select last column. Otherwise, if you are going to select country, next country and capital between, new table, new column will get added. So make sure to select last one, area, add column, again go to custom column, again do same thing, region and formula, and North America. Make sure to open and close double apostrophe, and by default this is the formula for adding new custom column, and select OK. And here you guys can able to see again one more column has been added to our table, North America table. Same thing we'll do for Central America. Region and formula, select OK. Yeah, it's done guys. So we are done with clean data first point. We are interested about and all specified information. We did that one, and we added to region to each table. And next they mentioned like a country, and we'll see in next class, and wait for next until next video guys. Thank you. For more information, follow to my page. Thank you.